Before starting a business in Denmark, it's good to be well prepared. I will try to outline some key elements that you might consider before starting a company in Denmark. First of all, decide on the legal structure of your business. Options here include APS, AS, or a sole trader, or even more. Each structure has its own requirements and implications. Some of them are more expensive to run and establish and more difficult to close, but others are very simple, like a sole trader. Also, register your business with the Danish Business Authority. It includes obtaining a central business register number, so-called CVR number. This is the core element. Without CVR number, you will not be able to identify yourself against other business partners or tax authorities. Make sure you understand the necessity of capital requirements for different types of entities. In case of APS, it is 40,000 Danish crowns. In case of AS, it's 400,000 Danish crowns. A sole trader does not require any initial capital. Also, being aware of the Danish tax system, including corporate income tax, value-added tax, and personal income tax, is crucial to choose the correct form of doing business. Consider how taxation will affect your business and your personal finance. Also, establishing a relationship with an accountant and having a bookkeeping system to maintain financial records in compliance with Danish law is really important. So think about starting some online account with one of the most popular Danish accounting softwares that are currently available on the market. And you can always run the accounts yourself, or you can rent an accountant to do it for you. Also, before you start, identify the types of insurance that your business will require, such as liability insurance or perhaps property insurance. You will have to buy it to run your company effectively. And in some cases, especially in high-risk environment, the insurance policy might be costly. It will be very difficult at the beginning to open a bank account in Denmark. That is something that all entrepreneurs have to be aware ahead of time. For a newly registered company, it's almost impossible. After a few months, when you're running using fintechs, that will be more available to you. Mainly because the banks have very strict AML regulations that are introduced in Denmark. Also, the bank account might be quite costly in comparison with different countries, because there is usually an establishing fee in Denmark and a monthly fee, as well as a transfer fee, and most of the time the fee for everything. And in this case, the international transfer will also have a percentage fee taken from the incoming transfer. Danish is the official language in Denmark, and while many Danish people speak English, it will be very beneficial for you to also have a basic understanding of Danish language. So familiarize yourself with Danish business culture and etiquette, and it will really make it easier. So starting a business in Denmark can be rewarding, but it's essential to be well prepared and seek sometimes some information in the internet. The process of establishing a company may vary depending on the circumstances, but once you're up and running, Denmark is really a wonderful country to do business. If you have any questions about running a company in Denmark, feel free to get in touch with us. We wish you best of luck with your business in Denmark.